Hi guys, this is part one of the setup. So again, the idea was to extend the conversation card dashboard demo to a physical device. We're going to add some MQTT messaging, Node.js for orchestration. We add the particle photon as a physical device, and we're going to send some messages back. So basically, this is what we're trying to do now. We're going to deploy this Carbosh dashboard application and Node.js into our Bluemix. So I just signed into Bluemix, so we have to create an environment. So I'm just going to call the organization team 2, and the space we're going to create called blinker. So there's nothing there. So what I'm going to do is I just go to my GitHub, the Node.js starter app, and added some flows there, so they will be automatically deployed. So I'm just going to use the deploy button, ask me to sign in. It should pick up the... Oh, it does need an alias for the things. I'm just going to call this team 2 as well. He needs this for putting the code actually in, or Bluemix GitHub, I should say. So this is going to be the application. I'm just going to call it T02 Node.js T02, and this is called blinker Node.js. Okay, so this is going to be deployed. Since we have two apps, we can deploy the other app in at the same time. So this one's basically the standard card dashboard demo. I added some code in some of the files and added the deployment button. So same procedure, and I'm going to add it to the same space, and it's called blinker. It's going to call it team T2 deploy. So what's going to happen, it's going to deploy these two apps and the services. So okay, once those applications are deployed, we're just going to check real quick if they're working. So here's the flow I created, so it comes already with it, so we don't really have to do a lot of setups. Oh, not here. So this is a car application, basically pretty much standard.
The service may be down at the moment. Please check here for the current status.
It tells us this because the workspace is not set up, so that's going to be step 2. Okay, so basically our applications are deployed and yeah, both running. So that was step 1, we deployed the two apps. So step 2 is now to configure the conversation space in the corpus for this.